An explosion rocked the house of a former Punjab minister and BJP leader Manoranjan Kalia. This happened in Jalandhar. Police have arrested 2 accused in this case. Punjab's top cop said that a Pakistan-based suspected terrorist is among the key conspirators. The police suspect an ISI and a Babbar Khalsa International. It's a terrorist organization. It's a Khalistani terrorist organization. They suspect a BKI linked to this terror attack. The aim was to create communal disharmony and sectarian disharmony in Punjab. We get you more in this report. Another day, another grenade blast. In the early hours of Monday, a grenade was hurled at the home of former Punjab minister Manoranjan Kalia. The former minister was at home at the time of the attack, but fortunately was unharmed. India Today has accessed CCTV images of the blast. The suspect seen driving an e-rickshaw is captured on camera conducting a reconnaissance mission outside the house. The suspect then makes a U-turn before hurling the grenade at the BJP leader's house.
We are in Jalandhar. You can see this is the house which came under grenade attack, and a grenade was lobbed from this place. And you can say this is the impact where the grenade was lobbed. It bursted here, exploded over here, and after this, this is the kind of impact you saw. That the entire this door panel came down, and this is the partition that came down, and the devastation was such that fortunately there was no human loss, no casualty, no injuries to anyone, because it was around 1 a.m.
Kalia said he woke up to the sound of the blast, initially mistaking it for an explosion in a transformer.
ब्लास्ट हुआ तो मैंने सोचा कि भाई ये ट्रांसफार्मर है यहाँ लगा हुआ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड का तो मैंने कहा वहाँ जो शट डाउन हुआ है मुझे लगा तो इतने में फिर उसके बाद मेरा ड्राइवर आता बताता है कि भी ऐसे ऐसे बॉम्ब अटैक हुआ है.
The police have arrested 2 people, Zishan Akhtar and Shehzad Bhatti, as the masterminds responsible for the grenade attack. The police have accused Shehzad Bhatti of being a Pakistan-based terrorist.
एक मेजर कॉन्स्पिरेसी थी जो पाकिस्तान के आईएसआई के द्वारा रची गई थी, और इसमें ज़ीशान अख्तर जो कि एक एसोसिएट है लॉरेंस बिश्नोई और गैंगस्टर शहजाद भट्टी का, उन्होंने मिलके ये एक साजिश रची थी.
Politics has escalated with the opposition targeting the Bhagwant Mann government over collapsing law and order in Punjab.
जो डीजीपी हैं जहां और सीनियर ऑफिसर हैं वो आईबी के साथ, रॉ के साथ और पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस के साथ, होम मिनिस्ट्री के साथ एक कोऑर्डिनेशन उनको रखना पड़ता है. वो तालमेल है जो वो रख नहीं सके, क्योंकि एक मुख्यमंत्री जो भगवंत मान है वो एक रखना भी चाहे, लेकिन केजरीवाल और सिसोदिया उनको वो कोऑर्डिनेशन रखने नहीं देते.
Sardar Sukhbir Singh Badal attacked in the premises of Golden Temple. What did the Punjab police do? Punjab police helped the assailant and helped him getting the bail. Sardar Bikram Singh Majithia's security is cut down just to please the Aam Aadmi Party high-ups.
The police have confiscated the e-rickshaw. This is the first grenade attack on a politician's residence in Punjab, but it comes after a series of such attacks on police stations. With Asim Bassi, Bureau Report, India Today.